Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.